What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm checking out Bad Villain Hurricane performance video. Let's check it out. First time checking them out. This was recommended. Ooh, that scene go crazy. Hold on, them girls cutting up. Hey, that handwork go crazy. That's a mirror. Hold on, that's her. That's her. Okay, that's her reflection. Okay, that go crazy.
I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different on the alien.
She said, I'm the crazy one. I'm the alien. That's hard. Yeah. Hold on, I gotta go back. Hey, I gotta go back. That's hard. Man, them girls go crazy. Mad talent right here. Bad Villain Hurricane performance video. Yeah, I gotta go check out more Bad Villain. Shout out to y'all for recommending that video. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Y'all let me know y'all think about it inside the comment section. Turn me up, don't turn me down. Oh, man.